Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now the next change that we are going to discuss is the improvements to the site editor in WordPress 6.2 beta. Now there are quite a few changes that you will see, or I would say there are drastic changes, and to show you those changes what I am going to do is I am going to take you through the WordPress 6.1, basically the site editor in WordPress 6.1 first, and then we are going to compare it with WordPress 6.2. So there will be, you will basically get the exact context of what changes you will see, what changes you're going to experience. Okay, to show you this, let's just open the site editor in a new tab, and you will see as soon as you will open the site editor, as soon as basically you enter the site editor, it straight away asks you to start editing, basically, right? So you are on this you are basically in this canvas. You can basically start editing the home page, the template that is named home. Basically, if it's set to home page, then that will be the case, right? So you can see right over here, I can straight away start making changes to it. Now an important thing you will have to know here is that there is no option as of now available that allows you to basically choose a template or a template part that you want to edit as soon as you enter the template. So that option for right now is missing. Now when it comes to adding or managing templates or template parts, what you will have to do is you go to straight into templates. You basically see these options right over here, and the option to add new is right over here. And if in case you want to manage these templates, so the theme templates cannot be deleted but they can be edited, but the templates that you create can be deleted. So for that you get the option right over here. There is an ellipsis menu that appears. Similar is the case with the template part. You can straight away go here. So this is the ellipsis menu that I was talking about, right? So you get the point. Now here are the template parts that come with the theme. This is the one that I have created. You can add a new template part right over here. So basically you exactly understand what exactly is this case. Wait a second, why did I exit? Okay, so we are back in, right? So you can see right over here, basically we were here, right? So these are this is the basic this is a very brief walkthrough of the site editor in WordPress 6.1, basically, right? So this is how it was working before. Now this thing has changed in WordPress 6.2 beta, and now when I will enter the site editor, you can see it straight away takes me to a new interface, kind of like, right? Basically earlier what used to happen was it used to straight away take you to this to the canvas or to the editor basically, right? And now it takes me to this sort of an interface which is known as the browse mode. Now what this browse mode basically shows is the navigation is the first option. Now remember, I'll talk about navigation later in this video, but for right now you just have to keep this in mind, that until and unless you haven't published a menu yet, this navigation option will not show, right? But if you have published a menu, then the menu items will show right over here, and you can add a menu item from here, right? Just keep this in mind, and rest we'll discuss about navigation later in this video as well, right? Now when it comes to templates and template parts, now as I was saying before, that it does not give you an option to basically select anything beforehand. It straight away takes you to the editor, and you can start making changes. In case you want to make changes to any template or template part, then you will have to go to the menu, which is right over here. You will click this option, you go to a template, you will select a template or a template part, for example this one, and now you will make changes. And in case you want to edit a template part, again you will have to go back, select a template part. For example, let's just select this example header. It will take you to this sort of a dashboard, this sort of an editor, and from here you can make changes, right? So this has changed again. Now you can go right here, you can select any of these templates. In case you want to edit a template part, then you can select any of these template parts. So for example, let's just select this home template for right now. Now the first thing it does is it shows you a preview of the template or the template part in question that you want to edit. Then the next step is you straight away click this edit and it will take you to the editor. So basically the process has been refined, right? It allows you to select the template or the template part that you want to basically edit. Make sense, right? So this process is particularly one of the biggest changes that has been introduced in WordPress 6.2, right? Now let's just go back a little and let's just see it for template parts as well. So I will select this comments template part, and you can see it displays a sort of like a preview of it, and then you can edit it. You can straight away click here and it will take you to that interface that you were seeing, right? Now let's just go back right again. Now what happens if you want to add a new template or a template part? The option to it is right over here, right? And another option to it is when you will click this, right? This right on top. Now this same interface you find right over here as well. Exactly same interface, right? You can see add new, and the management options are right over. That makes sense, right? Now similar options is for the templates as well. You can add a new template right over here. All of these options are available. Now exactly the same options are available. There are no changes to this thing, right? And again go to manage all templates and you can see the same interface from WordPress 6.1. Click it. So the management interface is exactly the same. The option to add new is available right over here as well. Okay, the only change is the template drill down or the element drill down, you can say. Basically you can see all of the template and the template parts that you have created. You can see this is basically the drill down for templates. This is for the navigation and this is for the template parts, right? So this is one change. Now in case you are wondering what exactly is this interface called, it is called the browse mode in WordPress 6.2 beta. This is basically the browse mode. This will be the first interface that you see as soon as you will enter the site editor after WordPress 6.2, if this change makes to the final release, which most likely it will, right? So this is basically the first change, the first major improvement that you will see in the site editor in WordPress 6.2 beta. So the first change is the introduction of the browse mode, which is this feature right over here. The second one is the template drill down that you see right over here. The option to manage and add are right over here. Another option to add you will find in the older interface that comes with it, right? When you will manage, this is the older management interface, right? Now again, when you will go back, this is the management and this is for the template parts. The next change is the preview feature that has been added, which is you are previewing everything, right? So for example, comments is right over here. I want to preview the footer, so this is the footer, right? And if I want to edit, I can edit, right? Similar is for the templates as well. So I can select index, shows me the index. I want to select the blog alternative, shows me the blog alternative. I can edit as per my requirement by clicking this option edit right over here on any of the templates. So this is basically the change that you will see. So again, I would like to stress on this point here is that WordPress is moving towards the block editing very fast. They are promoting all of these things, so do give these things a try. These things will make your life so much more easier when it comes to building sites and using WordPress. Basically if you will start doing these, start basically familiarizing yourself with these features today, tomorrow will be an easy one basically, right? So for example, if you would have entered WordPress 5 years back, today WordPress comes naturally to you. So similar is the story with the new site editor as well. Many themes will be coming out with new features that will be using both the features from the classic themes and the block themes. They will be creating hybrid themes based on these new features that are coming in. So you will have to have a grip on all of these things if you are looking to build websites using WordPress, or even manage your site using WordPress. This is something that I always discuss with my friends and people for whom I manage their sites as well, that have a basic understanding of WordPress to an extent where you know exactly how to fix a very minor problem. Until unless it's a very technical problem, then that's okay, we can take care of that. But if it's a very minor problem that is good for you, that you exactly know what the problem is and where basically a solution for that problem lies, right? So you can straight away attack that point and get yourself out of that problem. So this is my first take, or this is basically the first change and a major one that you will see in the site editor in WordPress 6.2.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.